Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is January 31st. I would like to say thank you to everyone who's been keeping up with the series. It's going really well, and if you're new here, a little series that shows you behind the scenes and stuff you can see from us. And so yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button with the little bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.